Friday. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys. All right, so today I am coming in with the goods. We're going to be talking about, guys, all things that involve or pertain to my new hair. All right, so a few videos ago, I kind of introduced you guys to my new hair, and I informed you all that I am actually wearing clip-ins, guys. These are the best 4C kinky natural looking clip-ins that I have ever owned. These, guys, you're not going to believe the price for these clip-ins. You're not going to, guys, believe where I purchased said clip-ins from. And yes, I purchased these clip-ins with my own money. They were not sent to me, okay? I paid for these myself, and I am shook. Do you guys see how well these clip-ins really mimic the natural kinky texture of my 4B 4C natural hair? I just could not believe it. All right, so go ahead, check out the links in the description box. Everything will be there, all right? But let me just go ahead and put this little nugget out there. Let me put this out there, guys. These clip-ins, all right? Sit down. Sit down. These clip-ins are from Amazon.com. Yes, Amazon.com is where I actually purchased these clip-ins. All right, so here are a few of the specifications on the hair, guys. For all the reviews, you can go ahead, like I said, click on the link and read the reviews. I want to say they're like 129, something like that, reviews. And they were kind of mixed. I want to say they're like 4 out of 5 stars, maybe 3.5 out of 5 stars. But I read through the reviews and I said, you know what? I'm just going to step out there on faith and take a chance. And I am so glad that I did. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the specs. This is going to be a really quick video, a really fast-paced video. I know it's Friday and you guys are trying to hang out with the family, but you want to get the details on this hair, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so when you order the clip-ins, you will receive one pack which contains 7 pieces, 7 clip-ins. The clip-ins, the clips are already attached, of course. Okay, so I knew that I wanted a fuller look, and so I just went ahead, guys, and purchased 2 packs. I think if you like, you know, a look a little bit more thin than this one, you can absolutely get away with 1 pack of these clip-ins if you do decide to go ahead and purchase them. But I know that I love some big hair, so I purchased 2 packs. So in my head, I have 1 complete pack of the clip-ins plus 3 of the other pack. So 10 clip-ins in all are in my head. And so when I received my clip-ins, guys, they looked nothing like this. And I think when you read the negative reviews that are on the hair, I think what the ladies are doing is they're taking the hair right out of the pack. And let me also say that shipping was great, and the packaging on the hair was just impeccable, okay? Love that. Fast shipping, really great packaging. So now when you get your clip-ins, guys, what you're going to want to do as a 4B 4C natural hair girl, do not be alarmed. When you receive the hair, it's going to look like a, I don't know, 3A 2-1, I don't know, but it's not going to look like our texture, okay? So what I did when I received the hair is I immediately co-washed it. All right, and for those of you who don't know what co-washing is, that is simply where you wash the hair using conditioner, or really nice conditioner only. So that's what I did, and I just combed the conditioner through the hair. Okay, after the hair dried, oh wait, let me just also say, it's not gonna come this dark. I actually colored my hair using the Revlon, I want to say it was jet black hair color. I'll just leave a picture of it right here. So that's what I used to color all 14 clip-ins. I just went ahead and did it, and I used 2 boxes of it, and that hair color, guys, is like $2.29. I think I purchased mine from Kroger, to be quite honest with you. And so I just placed all of the clip-ins right after I conditioned it, and the hair color, guys, I put it in a Ziploc bag and just squished it around to make sure every strand of my clip-ins would actually be colored. And so they came out looking this really nice rich black. All right, so if you want to color your hair, if you like darker hair like this, you're going to have to do a little bit of work, because the clip-ins actually do come to you in like a 1B natural color, and I just don't like that flat looking color. So for me, it's always jet black. So that is what I did. And so after I took them out, I rinsed out all the conditioner and the color. I let them dry, and then, guys, I took a brush, like a Denman brush actually, and I combed through the clip-ins one additional time, guys, and I ended up with this really almost bushy, kinky texture that really mimics my hair. And guys, I'm just over the moon, okay? When you go to Amazon and you look at the price, when you look at what I paid for these clip-ins, and then compare these clip-ins, or the price of these clip-ins, to some of the more expensive clip-ins that are out there on the market, it's just like I said, astonishing. I am just completely shook. I cannot believe I got this look from like some $40 clip-ins, okay? And I have actually gone ahead and purchased 2 more packs, because you know how sometimes, you know, when things get popular, everybody starts to buy it, and then it's just not on the scene anymore. You know, the company could discontinue them. So in my possession now, I have 2 packs and 2 additional packs on the way. So the size of the clip-ins that I actually ordered was 12 inch. I ordered 12 inches. That is what I actually have in my hair. I felt that the 12 inches would give me a more natural look, but just again, giving me a real full, bushy, big look. I love big hair. The size of the clip-ins on Amazon for this particular company range from maybe 8-10 inches and go up to 14 inches. But again, I just really like the look of the 12 inches. I think it just looks a little bit more natural. I did not trim this hair. I did not cut this hair, guys. All I did, like I said, was brush it out using a Denman brush, and it is so freaking soft. I brushed it out using a Denman brush and just clip them in, just randomly clipping them in. You don't really have to be really particular about where the clip-ins are going to go, because they are all the same size. While I am really in love with my own hair, sometimes, you know, I just like a little bit more volume. I'll go ahead and pop the clips out and kind of share with you all, you know, what my hair looks like without the clip-ins. Okay, like I said, I have 10 clip-ins in my hair here currently, and you can absolutely leave your hair out, as I've done with mine. I've left my hair out. Or you can, you know, braid your hair down and then just attach the clip-ins that way. They're just so versatile. Okay, so this is kind of what the hair looked like after I'd washed and dried it. But, you know, you take your comb, you take your brush, and you just pull through, guys, these little ringlets, and it absolutely puffs up on you, okay? So, you know, kind of like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all of the clip-ins out, and I'll show you guys how my hair looks without them. Now, you guys know how kinky hair is. It's gonna be a little bit tangly at times, but you know, that's just the nature of the beast, you know? But these clip-ins, you guys see that? I have not seen any clip-ins I mean, okay, so this is my hair. This is my hair here, okay? Look at how well that matches my hair. It's like insane. You guys have to know that you guys are my team, okay? I ride for y'all if I'm gonna sit here and pop these clip-ins out on camera. And like I said, you can absolutely get away with just one pack of the clip-ins. I just like the drama of the fuller look. And again, I have 10 clips here in my hair today. Okay. And like I could easily just, you know, have the drama here on that side like that, and maybe just have my own hair out, you know, over on this side, giving it a real, you know, funky look. You can do so much for clip-in, with clip-ins, I should say. It's a whole mood right here. Like, I am just floored. I don't know, maybe I'll leave it like this for today, but yeah. I'm loving them, guys. Loving, loving, loving them. They are going to tangle. My hair is probably tangled right now, you know, but all I have to do is put some conditioner on here, brush the conditioner through, and I'll be right back where I started from. Well, that is it, guys. I hope that I was able to answer all of your questions and concerns regarding my new clip-ins. I love them. You guys will have to drop down in the comments. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you plan on ordering any of the clip-ins as well. I will tell you guys, I am just so freaking happy. Again, I paid for these myself. I kind of stepped out there on faith. There were a few negative reviews out there, but I want to say once again that I feel that those negative reviews were from the ladies who, you know, maybe didn't co-wash the hair and didn't take that Denman brush and brush through. Again, when you receive the clip-ins, they're not going to look like our Kinky 4B, 4C hair texture, but put the work in, put the time in, guys, and this is what you will receive. I am so happy with these. All right, so that's gonna do it for today, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Cannot wait to start chatting with you guys down in the comments. Thanks so much for stopping in again, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.